Australia declared war on birds and lost. In 1932, 20,000 emus invaded Western Australia farmland, destroying crops. The government solution? Send soldiers with machine guns. The emus were too fast, running zigzag at 30 miles per hour. Soldiers fired thousands of rounds but barely hit anything. The birds scattered into small groups. After a week, 10,000 bullets used, less than 50 emus killed. The military withdrew in defeat. Emus kept destroying farms. Newspapers mocked it as the Emu War. Australia officially lost a war to flightless birds. The only war birds won. Follow for more absurd history.